last part of the of this module, importance of logistic activities, where part 3, okay, we will discuss on the consumer behavior. We will see how the consumer behavior have impact the logistic activities, and how does the logistic activities plays its role in ensure that the businesses able to meet the customers' needs and wants. Okay, actually the customers behavior is divided into few areas, few divided into few, you can see in a few differences lah. Okay, few categories. Okay, sorry, few categories, which is the first one is customized customer. The customer this is signifies that the customer desires a product offering that is highly tailored to the customer's exact preferences. Okay. The customized customer is through mass customizations, which is refers to the ability of an organization to deliver highly customized product and services, which is specially designed to meet the needs and wants of individual segments of customers. In example, we can say 3D printing, okay, additive manufacturing, which is the process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digitized file. Okay, this customized customer, as sometimes we not accept one-size-fits-all approach. It means that the logistic system must be flexible rather than rigid. We can take examples of FedEx and UPS, where they offer a variety of delivery options to their customers. We can see that the consumer behavior, the shifting of the consumer behavior also affected by the changing family roles. Okay. For instance, in United States, there are approximately 60% of families with children. Both parents are working. One consequence things that we can see from these dual income families, it has been increasingly emphasized on the convenience associated with a family's grocery shopping experience. Okay, as example, in terms of extended store hours, home delivery of purchase items, and ready-to-eat foods, and each of these scenarios actually has relate to the logistic implication, where by extending the store hours, where then some of the retailers need to open 24 hours, the retailers must address the issues like as the optimal delivery times for replenishment trucks when to replenish the merchandise. An example, it would be a good idea for 24-hour gross retail outlet to replenish the shelf when their stores are crowded with the customers. Okay. And the next thing, in terms of home delivery, it can be convenient to the retailers sometimes, but the time sensitivity nature of the grocery products, okay, means that delivery should be made when the buyers is at home. Okay, so here is involve the scheduling home deliveries, okay, to coincide with the buyer's availability. This is important in order to avoid dissatisfied customers. Okay, so actually the shifting in the consumer behavior significantly affect the logistic activities. Alright, even in terms of the mushrooming of ready-to-eat cooked foods, it means that food processors have added high volume cooking system at their production facilities. In terms of logistic perspective, the food processor uh, need to experiment with packaging alternative. The packaging alternative that will extend the shelf life of ready-to-cook foods. For instance, innovative vacuum packaging technology that have been introduced in the market nowadays. It's the shelf lives of the food in the innovative vacuum packaging is up to 45 days for chill forms of microwavable foods. As a retailers or businesses, in the industries, in any industries which involve with dealing with the end user, they need to face one of the consumer behavior changes is rising of the customer expectations. Okay, actually, there should come no surprise that customer expectation tend to increase over time. This means that a satisfactory level of performance in the past might not be considered like as today. Okay, so we can see the example of rising customer expectation in Toyota company. Okay, uh, in Toyota Motor Company's North American parts operations, they retain the customers and to reduce the losing customers to other automotive repair facilities. They have offered same-day delivery rather than one-day delivery. Okay, they offer same-day delivery of automotive parts to certain Toyota dealerships located in major metropolitan areas. Okay, in major city areas. Actually, this practice of same-day delivery has been facilitated by a redesign of Toyota's automotive parts distribution network. Okay, but beside Toyota, we can see examples online retailers Amazon. They also now provide same-day delivery in a number of cities, large cities in US. Right? Okay, I think that's all for the importance of logistic activities.